at this. It says, "Love you, Auntie Mary." It's an Easter card.
Mommy, I made it.
This is a card for Andrew and me, and Mama, and I'll read that later because I want you to read yours first. Look at it. Cute, huh? I'll read mine too. So nice. She's so nice, huh?
Yeah. Mommy. Mommy.
Yes?
I made a ribbon too. I'm gonna go get it.
Oh, wait. Hold on. Let's see what else is in the box. Let's see what else is in the box.
Yeah.
Whoa! Look at this big clock. That's cool.
Can I see? Ooh, too big.
Wow.
What's Mommy?
Wow. That's so nice. You know what? And then here, look, there's this one too. This one says it's for Hannah Tan. Let me open it real quick. Excuse me. I wonder what's in here.
Yeah, I want to know what's in here too. I don't know what's it gonna be. I can't put it.
Okay, there you go. Let me read it to you. It says, "Hi, Hannah. Someone made these at work, and I thought of you. Easter basket for the Easter bunny to fill." Wow! Look at the camera and say, "Thank you, Auntie Mary."
Thank you, Auntie Mary.
That's an Easter bunny basket to collect the eggs. That's so nice, huh?
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Blow her a kiss. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.